Welcome to Logo Center.
Today we are going to make soap, washing soap, using some waste product. You can see this is the oil, this is used oil. We have fried so many things and then we have, instead of throwing it off, we have kept it, and now we'll be using this oil. And then we have caustic soda. We are using this ratio here, 100 grams caustic soda, water 900 ml, and used vegetable oil 350 ml. So this is our ratio we will be using. When it comes to caustic soda, the formula as we have seen, can anyone tell me caustic soda ka formula? Okay, NaOH, yes, sodium hydroxide we call it. So 100 grams of that we have taken. We are using this plastic bucket. Can anyone tell what is the reason behind this? You may not know, fine. Caustic soda is very corrosive in nature. If you use any metal container, it will start eating it up. Reaction will start. This is why we have to use plastic one, because it does not react with plastic. At the same time, you might be seeing this stainless steel I have taken to stir it. The reason behind this is it does not react with stainless steel either, but it reacts with iron, it reacts with aluminum. So we are avoiding all those. Now our sodium hydroxide solution is ready. We'll move towards our next step. We have to add the fatty acid, that is the oil that we have. So oil quantity will be double of this. We had 350 ml, so now we will be adding 700 ml here, and for that I'm using this normal measuring cup. So let's take this oil, $250. We have to stir it. Keep stirring it, otherwise another 250. So it has become 500 ml. So who will stir it like this? Only one side, okay? Keep stirring. So 500, I have put another 200, so I'll just use this only. So now this reaction is going to take time, real long time. It will test our patience. We have to keep on stirring it till it gets mixed very well. This is quite tedious work. Our soap mixture is ready. You can see how smooth it has become. Now the sodium hydroxide solution is completely neutralized by fatty acids, that is the oil that we have used, and now it has become thick, and we will be pouring it in these small containers, and then it will be left for 15 days for curing, and then only it will be ready for our use. So it is ready. Now we will pour it. Can one of you hold it here? So you can see how smooth it is. It will be left in these containers for curing, and once curing is done, then we'll be using it. We'll show you how we use this, how much leather it generates. You can see our soap is 75 to 80% ready. It will go for curing for 15 to 20 days, and after that it will be 100% ready for use. So you have seen how we have started with sodium hydroxide. We made the solution and we put the fatty acid, the old used oils, and then we mixed it properly. The whole reaction took place, and now it is ready and it is poured in the container and it will rest. So thank you very much for being with us so far, and see you in next activity.
Bye.